Hi guys, hi, my name is Josh, also known as Yoshi Bear J. I'm a digital marketer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get video templates for your TikTok ads as well as your TikTok organic posts. Video templates are another great way to catch the eye of your audience and to kind of cut through the noise because there's a lot of content out there. So this is going to give you the opportunity to create something a little bit different that is going to help with increasing your click-through rate. So guys, I'm going to show you step by step how to use it and how to get there. So as usual, I don't waste no time. Let's get into the video. TikTok Creative Center into Google. Then click on here, Creative Center, right here. Then all you gotta do is go to Creative Tools up here. Creative Tools up here. Then select Video Templates. And here, for those of you who are probably selling jewelry or clothing, or you can choose you could choose the industry. Then what you could do is you can do it by all. You can select the most popular, the most viewed, all right? And then all you got to do is select the template that you want, right? There's holiday ones, there's loads, And also another thing is that you can choose the ones that have a number of images because you're gonna have to upload your own images inside of the templates if you wanted to, or even upload your own videos inside of the templates. So say for example, I like this one, right? Select it. Then all I gotta do is go over here, click on from computer. And then once you click from computer, window will pop up where you can upload images or videos straight from there, and it's going to replace this, and you'll be able to view it inside of here. Right now, once you've done that, all you got to do is click confirm right here, and then it's going to load up. Then, as an example, once that's loaded up, all you got to do, see here, you just go here and you just click publish. Just click publish, right? You can also share it, but if you're not happy with it, you can also delete that. So guys, that is how you use video templates. Guys, use it as a way to kind of create different formats for your ads or for your organic content. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to TikTok ads or just any type of IG reels or anything like that, it's really about creating creative that cuts through the noise, right? Sometimes we're constantly shown content all the time, but when people see something that's slightly different or see something that is unusual, that's going to make people to stop or maybe even click through and check your brand out or check your offer out. Yeah. So guys, that's how you do it. So if you want to learn more cool stuff, click the link in my description. I've got some links to my courses and all that good stuff. And as always, I'll be coming out with more marketing tips and tricks to help you guys in your business journey. Take care.